Hello, I'm Ying. In this video, I'll talk about what is dynamic house and show you how to use it. From the Health Census Library homepage, click on Health Census Databases. The A to Z list opens up. Dynamic house is listed as one of the best bets. It provides easy access to high quality synthesized evidence to support patient care decisions. I'll click on the link. At home, you will be asked to log in. On campus, the link opens the home page of the dynamic house. Suppose my assignment is to find evidence to support patient care in the long-term care setting. I'm not sure what topics to focus on yet, so I'll start with a very general search. Usually it works best to start with a single keyword or phrase as opposed to typing in a long sentence. I'll type long-term care in the search box at the top of the screen. Click on search. The search results page appears. I'll skim through these. Caring for patients with visual impairment looks interesting. Promoting an exercise program for adults in long-term care might be fun to read too. You can click on more results at the bottom to see more. Notice that most of the results are nursing skill guide. So another way to find topics in this database is by browsing. I can click on skills in the toolbar near the top and select nursing in the drop-down menu. Now I can click on specialties and then long-term care, and then click on maybe patient assessment and monitoring. This would show me a list of skills in that subcategory. I'll click on the hyperlink title for recognizing signs of pain and discomfort in patients with dementia in long-term care to view the full text. All of the nursing skill guides have the same sections, including purpose, red flags, step-by-step procedure, etc. There's also a checklist which can be used to help develop competency. Let's go to the red flags section. You can see summarized statements in bullet points. When there is a number at the end of a statement, I can point my mouse to the number and it will show me the reference and the type of evidence. For example, I'll point to number 7 and I can see that it references a 2021 article published on pain management nursing. I can click on the number 7 to jump to the very important references section at the end of this guide. The different type of publication has different levels of strength as evidence. Published systemic reviews, especially meta-analyses, provide the strongest evidence. Randomized controlled trials, RCTs, are the second strongest. Published non-RCT research such as cohort studies and case reports also provide good evidence, while general or background information tests reports provide relatively weaker evidence. Note that some references have full text abstract links. These links may link to PDFs from the web or full text available in a different CBC library databases. Sometimes the link may not work smoothly. Don't assume that we do not have access if the link leads to a paywall, which can happen pretty frequently. You can do a quick search using the article title in OneSearch, or use Google Scholar to double check. Details on how to do that can be found in another video called Finding the Full Text of Journal Articles. Also keep in mind that you can request an article from the library for free if we don't have ready access, and we'll try to get it from another library. Also, be sure to take a look at the care consideration sections. In addition to nursing skills, I can also click on Dynamic House icon to go back to the home page and explore diseases and conditions, signs, symptoms, or culture overviews. These would definitely give me more research topic ideas. There's also a mobile app. Before you download the mobile app to your phone or tablet, first create a personal account by clicking on the person icon in the top right corner and click Register Now. The app will allow offline use of all content, including access to Davis's Drug Guide for Nurses. In conclusion, Dynamic House is a tool where clinicians can either use a search box or browse various sections to quickly find evidence already evaluated and summarized from current research. You may use these summaries as starting points and try to follow references to the original articles, or better yet, you can use these guides on skills, care interventions, and disease overviews to brainstorm research keywords and search the literature directly. I recommend you to watch my tutorial on searching Signal next. Thank you.